Hyderabad-based Astra Microwave has signed a MOU with Premier Explosives for a strategic alliance to jointly develop and sell defense products. The commander of the Brazilian Air Force will receive a first-hand demonstration of Tejas MK1A fighter jet, light utility helicopter and light combat helicopter at Hindustan Aeronautics, Bengaluru. The Ukrainian Air Force has claimed that Russian Su-57 fighter jets have conducted more than 40 strikes on targets in Ukraine. With the aim to significantly advance its missile program with a comprehensive testing schedule, the DRDO will conduct trials for a diverse range of missile systems next month, encompassing both conventional and strategic weapons. The DRDO and the Indian Navy flight tested the vertical launch short-range surface-to-air missile from a land-based vertical launcher, and it successfully tracked and engaged a low-flying high-speed aerial target. The French turboprop manufacturer ATR is considering setting up an assembly line in India to capitalize on the country's push for regional connectivity. Mazagon Dock Limited is working on validating locally developed packaging for lithium-ion battery modules and testing them with a battery monitoring system that will be integrated on the 3 upcoming Kalvari-class submarines for the Indian Navy. The US State Department has imposed sanctions on 5 China-based firms for their supply to Pakistan's ballistic missile program under the Missile Sanctions Law. The commander of the Brazilian Air Force have said that Brazil is considering India's Tejas fighter jet as a potential replacement for its aging Northrop F-5 fleet, which is set to be retired after 2030, and this statement comes at a time when the Brazilian aircraft manufacturer Embraer is eyeing the 80 medium transport aircraft order from the Indian Air Force. This statement marks a significant development, as it places India's Tejas MK1A and the future Tejas MK2 in the running for Brazil's fighter acquisition, as both variants will be in production during the time frame when Brazil will be looking to retire its F-5. After being questioned on how India can afford to try and sell the Tejas aircraft to other countries, when deliveries for its own Air Force is delayed, the Air Chief has said that the way forward is to create joint ventures with private partners to establish more production lines for the Tejas aircraft as well as multiple weaponry lines. The Air Force has said that of the initial order of 40 Tejas MK1, HAL has delivered only 36 aircraft so far, and out of the 83 Tejas MK1A ordered in 2021, none of the aircraft have been delivered. American engine manufacturer General Electric has assured India of a fresh delivery schedule for the F-404 engine starting November this year, to power the Tejas MK1A aircraft. The commitment by General Electric came after Defense Minister Rajnath Singh raised the matter during his visit to the US last month. General Electric has promised to deliver 2 engines per month from November. Following successful trials of the Stryker by the Indian Army, the US is pressing for the deal, despite India having the indigenous swap available at a significantly lower cost. The US is keen to finalize the Stryker deal with India. However, the Indian Ministry of Defense and the Indian Army are weighing their options carefully. The Indian Army is reportedly considering placing orders for both the Stryker and the WhAP, recognizing the benefits of diversifying its armored vehicles. Today's top 3 comments.